Most people think discards happen suddenly. They don't. There is always a moment before it, a phase so subtle you feel it before you understand it. And if you miss this phase, the discard will feel like it came out of nowhere. By the end of this, you'll know exactly when it starts, and why it's already dangerous by the time you notice it. Right before you're discarded, the manipulation changes. Not louder, not crueler, quieter. The chaos disappears, the tension fades, and that calm is the warning sign. This is the phase where confusion replaces conflict, where distance replaces arguments. You sense something is wrong, but nothing is openly said. No accusations, no fights. Just a shift. This is not emotional burnout. It is strategic withdrawal. And it is intentional. The tactic is called emotional withholding. Before this point, you mattered. After this point, you are being evaluated. Not for love, for usefulness. They stop initiating, but still respond. They stop investing, but still accept. They become vague instead of engaged. Polite instead of warm. You didn't do anything dramatic. That's why it destabilizes you. Your brain searches for a cause. They give you none. And that silence creates pressure. Pressure turns inward. You replay conversations, reread messages. You look for mistakes that were never named. You try harder, they try less. This imbalance is not accidental. It is leverage. Emotional withholding creates anxiety. Anxiety creates pursuit, and pursuit creates power for the person withholding. They are watching your reaction, not your words. Do you chase clarity or tolerate uncertainty? This is the test. If you over-explain, they gain control. If you apologize for nothing, they gain authority. If you shrink your needs, they gain freedom to discard you, because you are already doing the emotional labor alone. Notice how they stop validating you, but never criticize you directly. Silence replaces feedback. This keeps you hopeful and confused. Hope is the strongest leash. They give you just enough response to prevent closure. No fight, no breakup, just distance. Your nervous system feels it, your logic tries to override it. That internal conflict is the manipulation. People think discards are explosive. They usually aren't. By the time the discard happens, the bond is already dead. The withholding phase is where detachment begins. They emotionally exit while keeping access to you. Why? Because full disengagement would expose them. So they fade. They reduce effort, reduce empathy, reduce presence. But they don't leave yet. They want to see if you will accept less. If you accept less, they respect you less. This is not about mood. It is about evaluation. They are asking one question: how little can I give and still keep control? Every delayed reply is a data point. Every unanswered message is a measurement. If you protest gently, they label you needy. If you stay silent, they label you replaceable. There is no winning inside this test. Because the test itself means the bond is no longer mutual. Healthy people communicate. Manipulators withdraw. Withdrawal creates imbalance. Imbalance creates dominance. The discard feels sudden because the warning signs were quiet. They were emotional, not verbal. You felt them. The warmth changed. The tone flattened. The curiosity about you disappeared. You were still present, but no longer prioritized. That is the moment the discard has already begun. The final discard is just the announcement. This phase exists to avoid responsibility. If they fade slowly, they never have to explain. If you leave first, they become the victim. Their self-image stays intact. Understanding this is how you break the spell. When withholding begins, clarity becomes your responsibility. Not chasing, not proving, observing. When effort drops without explanation, believe the behavior. Do not wait for words that will never come. Emotional withdrawal is communication. It says, I am preparing to exit. Your power is not in fixing it. Your power is in recognizing it early. Because once you see the pattern, the test collapses. And when the test collapses, the manipulation ends. And you leave with your clarity intact.